going to show you one technique that we use in art therapy to help a client to identify how they're feeling, where they're feeling in their body. This is useful because it's a great place to start a conversation or maybe some more art making about maybe something that's challenging or difficult. Then other things can be employed, such as deep breathing or other sensory strategies to help reduce distress. So I'm going to set up the camera and I'll show you how it's done. So I'm drawing a body map, and then we will do the activity. So I would ask the client, have you got a dominant feeling or a strong feeling anywhere in your body? And they might say, okay, oh yes. And I say, well, okay, can you choose a colour? It could be pastels, it could be any colourful art materials. Pastels are quite easy to use. And they're going to choose a colour. Okay, so they're going to choose this colour. And whereabouts in your body are you having that feeling? And they're going to go, okay. Right. And I can say, okay, I wonder if you've got a name for this feeling. And they might say, oh, I'm feeling a bit stressed, and I'm holding it in my shoulders, and it's causing me some headaches. And then I can say, I wonder why that might be. And they could say, well, at the moment I'm getting ready to go back to school and I find school really difficult. And so I could say, well, okay, we can talk a bit more about that if you'd like. But how about we try and do a body map of how you might like to feel about going to school or starting school again. So I'm going to draw another one. Bit different, same person. And I'd say, well, how would you like to feel about going into school? And choose a colour. I'm going to choose turquoise, okay? And where do you want, what do you want to feel? I think I want to feel good about going to school. I want to feel excited. I don't want to feel stressed. I want to feel calm. I want to feel calm in school. Okay. So how does that feeling look like in your body? That feeling of calm, excitement, feeling good. And they're gonna try and draw something around. I'm gonna draw this. For example, okay. And I would say to them, yeah, so this colour, turquoise, I wonder what that represents. Feeling safe and feeling calm. So you're not feeling safe or calm at school, but you'd like to. And inside you're feeling safe and calm. You've got a kind of safe, calm boundary around you, but you've also got this safe, calm feeling inside. And that's going to mean that you're going to be able to get the most out of school. You'll be happy, calm, and able and ready to learn. And you're very clever, aren't you? Because you know, when you're stressed in school, it's difficult to learn. That goes for most humans. And so we might think about the difference between this drawing, lots of stress, headaches, physical symptoms, also stressy tension in the shoulders, and how this young person wants to feel. And from that point I can ask some more questions like, what is it about school that causes this instead of this? You know, perhaps this young person finds the environment very loud, very noisy, very busy, full of people, and they can't relax. And it could be that this young person may need to be assessed for autism or any other neurodivergent condition, that means that learning in a mainstream school environment might not suit them. That's one outcome, but this would happen at the beginning of a session, possibly, if it was difficult for a young person to talk about how they're feeling, identify their feeling, and that can be quite a common challenge for young people with autism. So that's just a little example of one thing that might happen in an art therapy session.